Let's make some s'mores cookies, y'all. These s'mores cookies have all the flavors and textures of gooey, chocolatey, marshmallowy, graham crackery s'mores, but in cookie form. They are absolutely delicious and they are so easy to make. I adapted this recipe from my super popular cookies and cream cookies. They have this perfect crisp on the outside, soft on the inside sugar cookie texture, and then you add chocolate chunks and graham cracker pieces, and then top them with a big ol' marshmallow. Before we make our dough, let's prep the graham cracker pieces and the marshmallow pieces. You want to make sure that you're using vegan marshmallows and vegan graham crackers. Conventional marshmallows contain gelatin, which is made from animal bones and ligaments, definitely not vegan. Luckily, you can usually find vegan marshmallows pretty easily at stores like Sprouts or like Whole Foods. My local co-op carries them. The non-vegan ingredient that you need to look out for with graham crackers is honey. Honey is an animal product, which means it's not vegan. Luckily, honey is also expensive. So if you look for like the cheapest store brand graham crackers, those are usually vegan because they use other sweeteners in place of honey to save money. For the graham crackers, you don't want to crumble them. You kind of want to break them up into about pea-sized pieces so you'll get nice chunky pieces of graham cracker throughout the cookies. The other thing we need to do is slice our jumbo vegan marshmallows in half. And you want to slice them lengthwise. If you slice them so that they're round on the top and the bottom, they aren't going to spread enough to cover the top of the cookie. And then before you add them to the cookie, you're actually going to spread them out with your fingers a little bit so that you get maximum marshmallow coverage. Now that that's done, let's make the dough. In a large bowl, mix the dry ingredients, and then in a separate bowl, mix the wet. The egg replacer for these cookies is a flax egg, but we're gonna make it right in the bowl with all the wet ingredients, so just add your flax meal and water right to the bowl with everything else. Now add the wet ingredients to the dry and mix them together. You should end up with like a slightly sticky dough, but it shouldn't stick all over your hands. If it is too sticky, just add in a little bit of extra flour. Once you have a cohesive dough, mix in your graham cracker pieces and your chocolate chunks. This dough makes between 12 and 16 cookies depending on how big you make them. I like to scoop them into about 1.5 inch balls and then transfer that to your baking sheet. Now take a marshmallow half and use your fingers to kind of spread it open so it's as wide as possible. Then slap that right on top of the cookie. Repeat that for all of the cookies until they're all covered with marshmallows, and then you're ready to bake. If you're using a regular baking pan, you'll bake them at 375, but if you're using a dark baking pan like this one, you're gonna wanna bake them at 350 to avoid scorching the bottoms. Once they're baked and cooled, you are ready to eat. These s'mores cookies are just absolutely delicious. They have that gooey chocolate, and then they have like the crunchy on top but soft inside marshmallow, and then they have those graham cracker pieces inside. Ugh, they're so good. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make these vegan s'mores cookies. If you have any questions I didn't answer, drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!